Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off the auto brightness feature on the iPhone 12. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. In Settings, scroll down to and tap on Accessibility. In the Accessibility settings, tap on Display and Text Size. Now scroll to the bottom and turn the toggle off after where it says Auto Brightness. When the toggle is turned off, it will change from green to grey. Your iPhone will now stay at whatever brightness you set it at. Note that turning off auto brightness may affect your iPhone's battery life and long-term display performance. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone 12 tips and tricks.